Hi everyone and welcome back to another Square Food Foundation recipe kit. This week we are making some delicious stuffed jacket potatoes with loads of cheese, leeks and cabbage. So yeah, I've got some pre-cooked potatoes here, some leeks, a delicious Savoy cabbage and onion, and the most important part, lots of delicious cheese. So the potatoes have been in the oven now for about 20 minutes. The potatoes have gone really nice and crisp, and the best part for me is the cheese has gone really nice and melted. So it'll be super delicious. And then I've just served mine with a nice green salad here, but you could use it with tuna baked beans if you're a bit short of time. That would also be delicious. And as always, when you make this, if you film it or take any pictures, please do send it in to us. We'd love to see the pictures of what you guys have made. Thank you.